Yo, Nobu! Good morning!
Oh.
You having a good breakfast?
What are you doing? Hey, this is my milk. Hey, stop.
Look, I have an idea.
What's this?
Let's make pizza man!
Are you crazy?
No, are you crazy?
I'm just enjoying my breakfast.
Why do you have money in your pocket?
Go away.
Hey Nobu,
Okay.
now put that inside of the bowl.
Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also this.
How about this one?
Yeah, that one as well.
Okay. And this one?
Yeah, but just a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
And ketchup.
Yeah.
Ooh. And mix it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, and then the next step is cutting the sausages.
Sausage. Okay.
But now you need to put it in this one and like cover it with like a plastic foil.
I think I should put this into the pan and bake it.
No, listen to me, okay?
No, we should bake it.
Can you stop discussing?
No
with me?
need to put this. Okay. Let's put this one
Yes,
to this
in
one.
this one, yes.
Okay.
What are you doing?
It's very difficult.
How old are you again?
I'm 27. Okay. Should I put one more?
I think it's enough.
Is enough?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
so
continue. You're slow.
I'm sorry.
Can you say, I'm sorry, master?
No.
Why not?
Why? You are not my master.
I'm your master.
No, you are not my master. Yes, boss. How should I do?
Don't call me boss, call me master. But yeah, next, what about some cheese?
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 cheese. I
Yeah.
think the one is enough.
What does matter more, what you think or what the master thinks?
Master.
Yes. Wait. Did you wash your hands before?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
And then the sauce.
Yes, a little bit of sauce.
What's this?
Pizza sauce.
I think this is enough. This one and normal bread is enough.
Yes, so a little bit more. Stop. I said stop.
Sorry.
Dude, do you even understand English?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, Nobu, now the rest inside of that.
The cover.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and now into the microwave.
Microwave? So yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hey, Jannis.
Yes.
This is
Ooh.
pizza man for
It's
you.
pizza man?
Yes.
Wow, dude.
Yes.
Dude, that's actually a pizza man.
Okay, so let's cut.
Oh, I don't have a knife.
Ta-da!
Whoa.
This is
Where
magic.
did that come from?
Yes. So let's cut this pizza man for
Yes. Okay.
you. Okay.
Why do you always cut it back and forth, moving? Do
Oh.
you even know how to use a knife?
Okay, let's eat.
Yes. Okay, you first.
No, you first.
No, just in case it's like toxic or
What?
something.
Just in case.
Yes, you first.
Okay, just in case I need to get money because I need to go to hospital. Just in case.
Okay, wait a second.
I will try first.
Okay, good luck in the hospital.
いただきます。
How much is it?
まあ。Okay, here you go. Jannis.
Okay, let's try. That's better than the convenient one.
Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome!
What are you doing? Stop. Why are you always destroying my day?
Because I'll teach you another one.
I just drink normal milk. Okay,
Yeah.
let's do my best.
Yes.
So put this hot cake mix and milk here.
Yes.
Okay, I will do it. Let's go.
You better do it.
And an egg?
Yes.
Okay. Hey.
And now you have to mix it.
Yeah, I will. Stop.
Dude, it's splashing all over the place. Dude, stop.
I'm tired.
Do you enjoy cooking with me in the countryside?
No, of course no.
With like this beautiful view. Like look how peaceful it is.
Yeah, peaceful. But if you come here,
Yeah.
the place will be more, なんて言えばいいの?
Well, you better say nothing at all. Shut up.
Okay.
You finished?
Yeah, finish.
Okay,
So,
now just put one foil of
cover.
wrap on top of it.
Okay, like this.
It needs to be really tight.
Tight?
So tight.
More.
Yeah, a lot of tension. Yes, that's exactly.
Enough?
Yes, and now use this one and put it on top, okay?
Okay.
Ooh,
Ooh.
so that's the same size as the plate. So maybe another scoop. One more? Say one more.
One more.
Yeah, one more.
Yeah.
Maybe one more?
One more.
One more.
Yeah. So, okay. Yeah, I think it's not. Yeah, bye.
Oh no,
Yeah,
no, but what are you doing?
Okay.
Okay, and now into the microwave.
Microwave again. You love
Yeah.
microwave.
Yes.
I
it's
don't
so
like microwave.
Practical.
I think microwave is the most useful kitchen item.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's cook. Hey, Jannis.
Hey, you did it? You
Yes.
did it? Oh my god,
Wow,
that's the
It's
perfect,
like grape.
the perfect prep, dude.
Yes.
Okay, what about some fruits? Be careful, dude.
Okay.
Okay, next banana. Do you like bananas?
Yes. You like bananas?
Yeah. Dude, I saw that. You cannot eat the ingredients that I
No.
paid for. Nice watch, bro.
Yeah. This is my water.
Whoa, nice.
Oh.
Where's the music coming from?
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. And now,
Yeah.
cream. Oh.
So
And now all the fruits.
yeah, fruit. Do you like banana?
Yeah.
Strawberry. More some banana. Do you need banana?
I Nice. Okay, now we have to roll it up to like.
Okay, like this.
Yes, and from the other side.
The other side.
Whoa! There's a hole in it, and you broke the bottom of it. Okay, but let's try.
Can I try?
Yeah.
いただきます。
And how is it? It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now so it's my turn.
It's very good. Thank you.
It's my turn, Nobu. Nobu, come on. Wait, where are you going, dude? Nobu, like, come on. I wanna try. No, yo, Nobu, come on, dude. It's like
Oishii.
Can you give me some?
I'm sorry.
Take my credit card. So it's fine.
Okay, credit card.
Thank you. Okay, Nobu. How was that?
It's very good.
Yeah? Yeah.
But if you annoy me again, you need to pay $5,000 US.
What? Are you crazy?